Do you know which is the most common neurological disease in India? It is epilepsy, characterized by irregular brain activity resulting in seizures or episodes of odd behavior, sensations, and even loss of consciousness. To raise awareness about epilepsy, which is also rampant worldwide, National Epilepsy Day is observed across India each year on 17th November. Its observance was started in 2009 by the Epilepsy Foundation in Mumbai. Epilepsy can impact anyone, men and women of all ages, ethnicities, and cultural backgrounds. Seizures may occur in several ways. Some people with epilepsy stare impulsively for a small length of time during a seizure, while others shake their limbs or legs continuously. A single seizure does not always imply epilepsy. A diagnosis of epilepsy typically requires a minimum of 2 unprovoked seizures that happen at least 24 hours apart. According to Lancet, about 70 million people worldwide are living with epilepsy. Of this, over 12 million or almost 17% cases are in India. The worldwide prevalence of epilepsy is estimated between 5 and 9 per 1,000 people. In India, prevalence rates range from 1.2 to 11.9 per 1,000 people. In 2021, epilepsy led to over 140,000 deaths worldwide. According to Lancet's Global Burden of Disease 2021, 0.7% of global population had active epilepsy and its occurrence had increased by 10.8% between 1990 and 2021. Epilepsy led to over 17 million disability-adjusted life years, with 90% of this occurring in low and middle-income countries. A 5-year study indicated a much higher prevalence of 22.2 per 1,000 among children aged 8 to 12 years. While most patients manage their condition with medication, around one-third do not respond to available treatment. Diagnosing epilepsy involves a combination of medical history, physical assessment, and specialized tests. Key diagnostic tools include an electroencephalogram to record abnormal brain electrical activity, MRI or CT scans to detect brain lesions or structural abnormalities, and blood tests to identify metabolic or genetic causes. Neurological examinations assess motor skills, reflexes, coordination, and cognition. Video EEG monitoring combines continuous EEG recording with video to capture seizures in real time, aiding accurate diagnosis and classification of epilepsy types.